Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to clear or reset all the host names using hostnamectl command in AlmaLinux 9 operating system. So first I am logging to terminal as a root user. So I am typing the command hostnamectl. So here you can see there is static hostname and pretty hostname are there. So we are going to clear or reset or remove these host entries. First I am going to remove the pretty hostname. Let me show you how to remove the pretty hostname. Hostnamectl space set hyphen hostname empty double quotes hyphen hyphen pretty. That's it. So this will remove the pretty hostname. See here, pretty hostname is got removed. So same thing we can try for static hostname also. But I give you one warning. Make sure that your computer is not in any network. Your computer in isolated environment. So this is the command empty double quote. That's it. Hostnamectl space set hyphen hostname empty double quote. That's it. You can see that static hostname is got cleared, and also you can see that configuration file also deleted. See here, hostname file is got deleted. So this is very dangerous when your computer is in network. So please don't try this. Okay. Anyway, reboot also does not work. Okay. So don't try reboot. Instead of the rebooting, please put back the host entry. Okay. So I am putting back the host entry, static host entry. Yes. So you can see that static host name is got set once again. Let me check the configuration file. So before that I am restarting the service.